342 East 110th Street, apartment 7D. This is the one. Perched above the city and bathed in warm, south-facing light, this split two-bedroom home has high ceilings, walls of windows, and your own generous balcony with views for days. The open kitchen is modern and sleek with quartz countertops, Gen Air stainless appliances, understated cabinets, backsplash, and a pantry to tuck everything away. The generous living room has double closets and a hidden Bosch washer-dryer. Each bedroom has deep closets and can house queen or double beds. The master suite bath has a deep soaking tub, slate tiles, and rainwater shower. 7D has been impeccably detailed and has polished hardwood floors. Built in 2007, the Conrad has a pool table, party room, elegant mailroom, and a state-of-the-art fitness center which overlooks the landscape courtyard with basketball court and grilling area, as well as a common furnished rooftop deck with panoramic views. 3 blocks to the 6 train, 5 blocks from Central Park, and close to the city's world-class museum district. Explore the neighborhood's lively and upcoming restaurant and market scene. Come and view 7D, showings by appointment.